ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಟಿಎಂಎ ಪೈ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಹಿಳಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಮಾಹೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಉಪಕುಲಪತಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂಡಿ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ತಜ್ಞರಾದ ಕುಸುಮಾ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್, ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವಕರಾದ ಇಂದಿರಾ ಎಸ್ ಬಲ್ಲಾಳ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಹೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಸಹ ಕುಲಾಧಿಪತಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಚ್.ಎಸ್. ಬಳ್ಳಾಲ್ ಅವರ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಜರುಗಿತು. ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದ ಇಸ್ರೋ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ಯಾಮ ನರೇಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ಕೆಸಿ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಹಿಳಾ ದಿನದಂದು ಅಪಾರ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ನೀಡಿದ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ ಗಮನಾರ್ಹ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಶ್ಲಾಘಿಸಬೇಕು. ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿನ ಅನೇಕ ಅಡೆತಡೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮೆಟ್ಟಿ ನಿಂತು ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಾಗಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಲಿಂಗ ಸಮಾನತೆಯನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಗತಿಯನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಮೂಲಕ ಲಿಂಗ ಸಮಾನತೆಯ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಗತಿ ಕಾಣಲಿ, ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ತನ್ನ ಗುರುತನ್ನು ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಿ ಅಂತ ಆಶಿಸಿದರು. ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸ್ಥಾಪಕರಾದ ದಿವಂಗತ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಶಾರದಾ ಟಿ ಪೈ ಮತ್ತು ದಿವಂಗತ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಟಿಎಂಎ ಪೈ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮಣಿಪಾಲದ ಎಂಸಿಒನಿಂದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಂದ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾಂಜಲಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಆರಂಭಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ನಂತರ ವಿವಿಧ ಚರ್ಚಾಗೋಷ್ಠಿಗಳು, ಸನ್ಮಾನ, ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ, ಆಕರ್ಷಕ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಜರುಗಿತು. ಎಂಐಟಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಂದ ನೃತ್ಯ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಸಾ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ತಂಡದಿಂದ ಈಶಾನ್ಯ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯ ಕಲಾ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಮಾಹೆ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿನ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿಗಳಾದ ವಸಂತಿ ಆರ್ ಪೈ ಮತ್ತು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷೀಯ ಭಾಷಣದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮುಕ್ತಾಯಗೊಳಿಸಿದರು.
Valued, respected and empowered to reach their full. Good morning and a very warm welcome to the celebrations of International Women's Day 2024 at Manipal Academy
of the solar corona and in designing space experiments towards this. She has over 50 publications in international journals and is guiding 4 PhD students at present. She's won the Lunar and Planetary Institute Career Development Award in 2009.
A big round of applause, ladies and
They are all teachers from Madhav Kripal School. The team, Miss Suparna, Senior Technical Judges for the Craft Competition, Department of Anatomy, Kasturba Medical College, Manipal.
ಬೊಂಬೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣಂಗೋಸ್ಕರ ತಂದಿರೋದು, ನಿನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಪ, ನನಗೂ ಬೊಂಬೆ ಬೇಕು.
ಕಣ್ಣ ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಮಡಿಯಾಚೆ ದಾಟಿ ಹೋದೆ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು.
ಏನಿಗೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೋ.
ಹುಡುಗಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಯಾ? ಈ ತರ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮನೆ ಕೆಲ್ಸ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋ, ಮುಂದೆ ಓದ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ.
ಬೆಳೆದ ಮರವೊಂದು ತನ್ನ ಬೇರನ್ನ ತಾನೇ ಕಾಣ ಬಯಸಿದೆ. ಮುಗಿ ದಿನ ಕಾಣುವ ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಮರಿಯೊಂದು.
ಊಟ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ತಿಂತ್ಯಾ? ನಿನ್ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಂಕಲ್ ತೊಡೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ನು. ಬಾ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಜೀವ ನಿಂತಿದೆ, ಉಸಿರಾಟ ಸಾಗಿದೆ, ಕಾರಣವಲ್ಲ ನಿನಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳಲೇ?
ಇಂತಹ ಹಲವಾರು ಸನ್ನಿವೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಿಳೆ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ಎಂಬಂತೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಲುಗಲ್ಲನ್ನ ಸಾಧಿಸಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಮಹಿಳೆಯರನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿ, ಉಳಿಸಿ, ಪೋಷಿಸಿ, ಗೌರವಿಸಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
And appreciating the variety of experiences, viewpoints and skill that women bring to the table rather than simply reviewing a box. As we reflect on this theme, let us recognize the profound impact that empowered women can have on not just their own lives, but the lives of those around them and the communities they belong to.
Some of the organizers said nobody is ready to share a room with me because I have a child, so I can't stay there. But okay, these days I think we have ensured there are more childcare facilities associated with conferences. A family, because that's not a joy for me. We need to have that. Provide that environment, I think, and that's where I really had a lot of learning, and really thankful for those who had at those points. So today, when I have 4 poetry students and 2 of them are girls, I really make the point that you don't need to feel embarrassed or be apologetic, because I think at those times I was apologetic that I had to carry around my daughter everywhere. This is part of life, right? When I say some of these things to, I think one of my younger colleagues said, but that's your choice, right? Why did you do it? If I say that I did my the entire PhD time, I think the most important thing was that first of all my mother supported. See, you have a family support, that's important, yes, but when you come down to work, the environment that's there is at most important. If you in work you want to go ahead, right? You want a very positive environment where people understand the situation, and there's some personal involved. I think I was incredibly lucky that I had a supervisor, because I often hear problems with PhD mainly arise because your wavelength with your PhD guide doesn't match. I had a fortunate enough to have a very excellent supervisor who could understand the situation and support at every point, particularly because I had responsibilities at home.
The world is changing. You see women in every field of life, astronauts on the fields, driving vehicles, driving a metro, aeroplanes. What can we do towards betterment of women? Right? Today's Women's Day and the theme is inclusion. While you can have rules and regulations on empowering women, as individuals, what each of us can do is to be inclusive. To recognize how to appreciate women, whether it's your mother, sister, daughter or friend, to appreciate their talents, give them opportunities and support when needed. That's what we can do, and each one let's pledge that towards a better society for women.
Supposed to be in the matriarchal system, the power is supposed to be with the women, the property is with the women. And my grandmother, I think she had to discontinue studies after 8th standard. Not because we don't have the means to do so, but apparently her grand uncle said that if educate girls, they'll start looking at the accounts. So still they were managing these, and namesake you had all these. And so, but I have heard my relatives talk about her as somebody very stubborn, outspoken and rebellious. But in truth, I think she was exceptionally bright, had an opinion and used to express herself. And at 16, when she got married, the news of her marriage was in the headlines of the first page of a popular Malayalam newspaper at that times, and I have it preserved at home. Why? Because she insisted that she would marry from her own caste. So in our system, at those times, we would always have to marry somebody one caste above us. Kerala has a very complicated caste ladder, so we have to marry somebody above your caste. I think that's again a sort of dominance ensured, But that's how it was, and she was very adamant that at 16 she was so adamant that I would marry only somebody from the same caste, and she managed to do so, and that's why it was in the newspaper. I talk about her because when I look back, she's no more, of course, but she was somebody who used to insist even when I was small, like as girls, my mother would more dream of a wedding and have family for me. But she was somebody who always insisted that first thing for you is to study well and stand on your legs. Because education is what gives you freedom, and unless you have financial freedom, it's very difficult to make sure that your voice is heard. First thing is not to be a burden to anybody, ensure that you can support people. So I think at that time maybe I just heard it, but later in life I realized how important and how valuable that message was. So I, as I said, as Asha introduced, I come from Palakkad, which is in the middle part of Kerala, and I did not really start off thinking I want to do physics or I want to do research.